Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coinbase wallet to the BNB Smart Chain. First, open your Coinbase wallet application, either on your phone or as a browser extension. Once open, locate and tap on the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, you will need to find the default network or networks option to begin adding a new blockchain. This initial step is crucial for setting up your wallet correctly. Now let's add the BNB Smart Chain. Select Add Network or Custom Network and carefully input the required details. For the network name, type BNB Smart Chain. The RPC URL should be https://bsc Binance org/. The chain ID is 56 and the currency symbol is BNB. Finally, set the block explorer URL to https://bscscan.com. Double-check these details for accuracy before saving. With the network added, it's time to verify the connection and fund your wallet. First, ensure that BNB Smart Chain is selected as your active network within the wallet. Next, send a small amount of BNB from a centralized exchange, like Binance, to your Coinbase wallet's BNB address. This step confirms that your wallet is correctly configured and ready to receive assets on the new chain. Always start with a small test transaction. Now that your Coinbase wallet is connected to the BNB Smart Chain, you can explore various decentralized applications. Remember to always have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover transaction fees, also known as gas. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all the network parameters you entered. Sometimes, simply restarting your Coinbase wallet application can resolve minor glitches. Enjoy your journey on the BNB Smart Chain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.